pioneers, this is the prone leg curl machine. Prone just means facing down. So leg curl machine will work the hamstring or the back of the leg and sometimes a little bit of the glute. I want to make sure that my hip, the front of my hip where my hip bones are, is right here in this crease. So I need to make sure that my knee is also at this pivot point over here and that this is adjusted so that it's on the back of my heel around my Achilles low calf area. So I know my setting. It might take you a few tries to find a good spot, but I want it to rest right there. So I'm gonna get in, try it. It feels about right for me. It's high, it's mid on the calf, and it'll move lower on the calf as I curl. My forearms go here in the pocket, and I can hold on to this for help. It's important to keep your neck neutral, not like I am right now. You should look down while you do this exercise, but I'm gonna look up. I'm gonna curl and bring it all the way to my butt, and then lower it with control. If that's too easy for me, I can adjust and I can add weight with the pin. And I can adjust by 5-pound increments on the knob. And that's the prone leg curl to work the back of your leg and the glutes.